Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi. Today I'm Sir Hisham. I want to explain on the introduction to data communication system. Okay, so now basically right now all of you were dealing with the online class. So normally no online class will take 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes online class mean equal to 1 hour physical meeting. Okay, now so let's cover on chapter 2 actually, introduction to communication system, data communication system. Okay, now what is the data communication? We go to the second chapter number 2. What is the data communication? Okay, data communication means exchange of data or information between two or more communication device. Okay, so in data communication system, we deal with the message, okay, sender, receiver, medium, and protocol. This is thing that you learn before in that principle of communication system. Okay. Okay. Now, effectiveness of data communication. Okay. So, in to measure the effectiveness, we can consider in terms of deliver, accuracy, timeless, and jitter. Okay. What is the delivery? You can read by yourself. Okay. Delivery, accuracy, timeless, jitter. Okay, how about the data flow? Okay, data flow in data communication system, we got simplex, half duplex, full duplex. Okay, simplex mean one-way communication. For example, keyboard. Okay, half duplex, your walkie-talkie, and full duplex like your phone. Okay, now data representation. Okay, data representation normally we can use text, graphic, image, audio, and video. Okay, we call it multimedia. Multimedia also we offer the subject of multimedia. Okay, now computer networks. Okay, in computer networks, normally um, computer network is an interconnection of a set of computer, often referred as node or host. Okay, so in distributed processing. Okay, network usually use distributed processing. In distributed processing, a task is divided among multiple computers. Okay, so now we go to effectiveness and efficiency of a network. Okay, we have the criteria. The first criteria is the performance, reliability, security, and also okay, security. Okay, now we go to the physical connection. For physical connection, we got point to point and also multi point. Point to point means, for example, link between two devices. For example, your computer, you want to print document. Connection with printer. Multi point means more than two specific device shared in a link. Okay. For example, you want to create a game using network. Okay, Counter Strike and so on. Okay, now we go to topology. What is a topology? The topology means you want to arrange your computer in a network. We got a mesh, star, bus, ring, and hybrid. Okay, this is the mesh. Okay, they put this is the mesh how it look like, and then we go to the star. Okay, star means you put all the computer to the one hub. Okay, and then bus topology in a one line, and then ring. Okay, and then hybrid. Hybrid means you put two or more topologies. Okay, in this figure we are using hub, bus, and also ring. Okay, now what's the important thing of the why we need to study topology? Okay, different topology we got advantage and disadvantage. For example, here, if you use bus topology, the good advantage is simple. You just make one line and then you tap the station or your PC. Okay. The bad thing, the disadvantage, for example, bus topology, if you make one line here, let's say this line got problem, station A cannot send data to station B. That's the disadvantage. Compare with hybrid. Hybrid no problem. Okay. Hybrids means if you consider, for example, ring. Maybe here you got problem. This link, no problem. This computer can send through to this network. So that's why when you build build something, you want to connect device into a network, you must consider you want to do bus, ring, and so on. Okay. Now we go to the network types. Don't worry, we cover up later in the next chapter. Okay, network types. Okay, network can be categorized based on the geographical area. So basically, we know on in this chapter we cover on local area network and also LAN and also second one metropolitan area network. Okay, so in local area network, usually links the device in a single office or small place. Okay, or the small okay for metropolitan, for example, large scale, or also we call internet. Okay, normally internet related with metropolitan area network. Okay, now we go to the wide area network. Okay, usually provide long distance transmission of data, voice, image, and video. Okay, over a large geographic. Okay, now two types of one. We got point to point and also switch one. Point to point means a network that connect two communicating device through a transmission media. Switch one, a network with more than two communicating device and usually used in the backbone network. Okay, so this is the difference between LAN and WAN. Okay, and then switching network. Okay, and internet. Now we consider on internet. Internet is a switch network in which a switch connect at the least two link together. Okay. Okay, you should know in Datacom we need to learn about switch, hub, router, something like that. We cover on the next chapter. Okay, okay, circuit switching. We got the two most common type of switch network. The first one circuit switching. What we deal with circuit switching? Okay, when you see this figure, you got 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 means in a circuit network, switching network, a dedicated communication path is established between two stations through the nodes of the network. Okay, means like this. For example, from user A to user E, sending 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. Okay. Now, how about packet switching? Okay, you see, packet switching we put in what? Okay, in packet switching, in this case, each packet is passed through a network from a node to node along the same path leading from source to destination. Mean your data, your 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 will put in a packet. Okay. Now we go to the protocol and standards. Okay, what is a protocol? Protocol is a set of rules and regulation that manage the communication message. Okay. Element of protocol, we got syntax and semantic. Syntax refer to the structure or format of data. Semantic refer to the meaning of each station of bits. Okay, in the data. Okay, timing. Timing refer to criteria when the data should be sent and how fast it can be sent. Okay, now we go to the standards. We got two standards, proprietary standard and also non-proprietary standard. Okay. Now, this is the famous thing we will learn ISO, International Organization Standardization ISO. Okay, and then International Telecommunication Union, American National Standard Institute, and also Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, Electronic Industry Association (EIA). Okay, now after that, now so want to close this introduction to Datacom, and please check back in your KALAM, check for the exercises, online exercises, and try to answer. Okay, thank you.